How to use keyframe in CapCut PC. Hi there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to discuss about using the keyframe in CapCut PC. So now let's get started. So if you want to edit like a pro in CapCut, keyframes are essential for animation. They mark the starting and ending points of the video feature, ensuring smooth transitions. So to use keyframes in CapCut PC, you need to import your video on the timeline and select it on the timeline. After that, go to the video tab, and then in the basic, there you will see the option of scale. For example, add one keyframe by tapping on this add keyframe option that is beside the scale, then another where you want to zoom in, and a third where you want to zoom out. Now to zoom in between keyframe 1 and 2, select a keyframe 2 and zoom in by dragging the scale. Now if you play this video back, you will see the zoom in effect in this video that has been created by using the keyframes. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.